Kids Alive! It's so good that you could join us for our first ever virtual Kids Fun Camp. I am so happy and so excited to be here. But I feel kind of alone up here. I'm missing a friend, aren't I? Have you seen my friend anywhere? Where could he be? Oh, hi! Well, this is my new friend. His name is Eddie the elephant. And he's gonna join us for Kids Fun Camp. Are you excited to be here? I am. Like I was telling the kids, this is our first ever virtual Kids Fun Camp. And this is such an exciting time because it's almost Christmas and we're gonna have a camp and we're gonna have a good time. We've got a lot of great things lined up for you. So the theme of the camp is Let Your Light Shine. Let your light shine. It's a good theme. Why? Because when you let your light shine to those around you, people will be impacted by your light. Why are lights so important? Who can tell me? Let me hear some answers. Okay, someone said it brightens the room. Very good. Who else knows? Why is light so important? Very good! You can find your way in the dark. If there is no light, you won't be able to find your way, right? Good answer. And why else? Why else is light important? Who knows? Creak, creak, creak. I hear insects now chirping. Well, yes, light is important because it lights the way. You can find your way around the house with a light. Can you imagine if there was no sun? The whole world was in darkness? That would be a whole disaster, wouldn't it? We'll be bumping into trees. Maybe there won't even be any trees. We'll be bumping into one another, right? If there is no light. Now, Jesus said, let your light shine before men so that people will see your good deeds and praise your Father in heaven, right? And that means that when we have the light of Christ within us, we can be a light to those around us. We can actually lead the way. And that is why it's important to let your light shine. It's important to let your light shine so that when you go back to school now, you will be able to lead those in the right direction. You'll be able to tell people the right way to go, the right things to do, the right things to say, the right words to say. So let's listen to what Darius has to say about this very special verse. Darius, take it away.
Hi guys! Matthew 5:16 says, in the same way, let your light shine before others that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Wow! That means when we are behaving well, we are letting our light shine.
Now let's look at this room. It's so dark, right? It's a dark room. What happens when I light this match? It brightens up the room. You can actually see what was hidden in the dark. Now this is what happens when you light the way in your schools, in your families who don't know Jesus. Wherever you go this Christmas season, let your light shine. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in class. Have a good time, guys.